All right, welcome everyone. Tellor recorded dev call week 2. Fun times. All right, so we got lots and lots of stuff to do. So things keep getting better. Talk to the Thales guy today. Another guy, they're on Optimism, so we might have to go to Optimism. They're coming over to Polygon. We'll need some exotic markets, but that's like a month or two off. That's looking good. Looking at, we also got a message from Tracer DAO. They're looking at like opening up how their Oracle sort of integrates, and you'll be able to like select an Oracle for kind of their prediction markets. So we need somebody to do the Tracer DAO integration into their code. Basically, they have like Chainlink and then some SMA Oracle, so you can, or maybe UMA, maybe that was a typo, but basically we'll have to pull that out and do a Tellor integration. Should be relatively quick. I think their timeline is like, they're looking to do their V2 end of April, starting on testnet. So we got like 3 weeks to do an integration, which is like more than enough time. So it's not that much of a rush, but hopefully we can get that done. Brenda and I have to sit on a call with whoever else wants to finish deploying Harmony on mainnet and doing the Arbitrum stuff as well. So I think we're like halfway done, something like that. So it was just basically getting the native token to pay gas over on the chain takes like longer than actually deploying the contract, which is, yeah, because you have to like go to exchanges and stuff like that and bridge it over. So it's a mess. But we'll be doing that. And then we got, we'll send out, I don't know when it's going to be yet. We're going to find out later today, but we're doing a Polygon AMA tomorrow. Hopefully you guys, we're going to go in there. I don't know where it is. I think it's on, oh, it's a Twitter space. So we'll be, if anybody wants to help me out on the Polygon AMA, we can talk to all the Polygon devs. It'll be fun. So those are some exciting things we can look forward to. But yeah, what are you guys up to? Tim, starting with you.
Yeah, so I am wrapping up a test on those auto pay contract updates. Gonna push those this morning. And then I have some testing to do on the DIVA payment contract as well.
Okay.
And
then is the RNG done?
No, so time, depending on how much time there is, I'll move on to that too.
Okay. I mean, the auto pay stuff should be quick. That should be like done.
Yeah.
And then you can add it to the list of things Brenda has to deploy. We'll have to go and redeploy auto pay on everything, which will be fun. But okay.
Yeah, that'll be a good one.
And then hopefully DIVA is quick too, but if anyone wants to help write and test with that, let us know.
There's not much to it. It's just the one function. So
yeah, but there's like, it's like one function that interacts with 8 contracts and does whatever else. So it's a big function.
Yeah, there will be a lot of conditions to test. Yeah.
Yes. It's like one function test that's 200 lines long.
Right.
Cool. All right. Yeah. Owen.
Yeah, so we'll be helping out Akram do like the spec for the tip listener today. Work on a release of Telliot feed examples. Lauren, if you want to get in on that, do that together.
When are you specking that stuff out with Akram? I'd love to sit on
what?
When are you specking that out?
Whatever, Akram. That's good for you.
Yeah, I was hoping to get started on that today.
We can do it after the call.
After the call, I have a call with Tally, and then we can do that after that.
All right.
Okay, so just ping me whenever you guys do it. I'll try and hop in. So,
Other than that, met with Morphware, so have some changes like to make for them. And then if I have time after that, maybe work on either the testing, like doing testing with Brownie Ganache, or the DIVA integration. Either one.
cool. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, I would say testing, but you know,
Okay.
keep pushing it off on DIVA. They're like basically wrapped up. He wants to perfect it, so which is good, but we got to make sure it works for him and is tested first. So, all right, okay.
Finished the end-to-end deployment script last week. Started on some tests. Just need to do some more tests, consolidate some things, and then I guess go over to do the tip listener.
Nice. Yeah, looking forward to seeing how you knock that out. Be good. And then, cool. Quentin.
Yeah, so I've been looking into the usage data for Chainlink on Dune Analytics, and I made some graphs for that.
Yeah, send them over.
Okay, I'll do that. And besides that, I've been looking to the Snapshot Oracle, testing that on Rinkeby testnet.
Okay, cool. Yeah, maybe we'll give you one of these integrations, Quentin. It'll be fun for you. So let me know. Tally.
Yeah, as Akram mentioned, the end-to-end tests, I mean, not end-to-end tests, end-to-end deployments. We're gonna it's like finish those up today so that we can, we've written all the function tests, we haven't run them yet. The end-to-end deployment script is sort of the bottleneck, as it's like the before each equivalent, as we have in Hard Hat. But after that, just finish the function test today and move on to end-to-end tests.
Cool.
Yeah.
You feeling all better?
No.
Sorry to hear, man.
We'll get there though.
All right. Good luck.
Thanks.
So, Josh.
Yeah, so with being out a lot last week, just picking up with the True Block stuff and making them work.
All right, YouTube will. Yeah, I mean, I say we give it like 2 or 3 more days on this, and then
Okay.
if we can't, yeah,
Okay. Sounds good.
we'll do other solutions, because I think, you know, like it's a database. It shouldn't take this long, and if we have to cut down the scope of work, like that's fine too. But
Yeah.
like we'll figure it out.
Okay.
All right. Well, because I think, like, you know, as far as like the data monitor goes, you know, we have like, yeah. Anyway, we'll brainstorm it if it doesn't work, but that'll be Lauren, how's things going?
Those are good. I got all that Brownie and Ganache stuff working over the weekend. So I wanted to talk to Owen today. If we're already gonna talk about the release, we can just chat about that too, what other tests we want to add. Or what else more you want me to do. And then Quentin, if you need any help with any of that plotting stuff that we talked about earlier, just let me know and I can help you out.
Yeah, sure.
Cool. And will you be able to use your right hand this week?
I have my first physical therapy appointment today, so I get to talk to them about it.
Woohoo.
I hope so. Driving me crazy.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, and then Brenda, anything or just deployments?
Deployments, and also we're redoing the website. So today I want to get together with Will to basically prioritize the scope of the first build. That's
Cool.
the big.
Did you like I sent have you guys seen like links.teller, or there's like, if you go to like, there's basically this, it's a website that all it has is like the links. So like you can go to links and then it's, I can send it out, but it's like literally has like website, GitHub, docs, Twitter,
It
YouTube.
is pretty clean.
I'm like, this should be our website. Like this is, it's perfect every way. Like we could totally do this.
Where is this?
Send it out. It's like I found it on Reddit. So like whenever you go to like the Tellor Reddit, it has like links and then you click and it just has like a website of just all the Tellor links. I'm like, man, that should just be our homepage. Like, what do we need all the fancy stuff about anything? Like just make 5 HTML links and call it a homepage. It's like done. So I don't know, but that's me. I know the biz dev guys will want to make it branded and have some message that they're trying to push through, but I don't know. Like I always like every time I go to an actual crypto project's website, it's always for the purpose of I want to know where your GitHub is or your Discord is. Like just point me in that direction and maybe your white paper if it's slightly interesting. And then like if I can just go to your webpage and see those things right away, I'm done. So that'd be a perfect website. Anyway, yeah, anything else, guys? No. Okay, so we got 3 questions. One of them, what happened with the TVL of TRB? Why is the team holding 5 to 10% and selling on us? I don't even think we hold 5%. And we definitely, I mean, we sell a little bit every month, but not that much. Just pay some people you see here on this call. Next question, what's the roadmap for Tellor? Yeah, I mean, the big roadmap for Tellor, yes, correct me if I'm wrong, it's just kind of getting integration. So we're going to work, we'll probably be brainstorming here over the next month on if we want to do any upgrades to the main system of Tellor and talking about that. But overall, it's just, focusing on getting users, building a more robust system, building a simpler system that can work on any chain and for any data and in a way that actually works, and it's what people want. So continuing to just hash it out. Last question, can you clarify how the multi-sig wallet for Tellor works and who has access in general? So assuming this is not a question where you guys are asking who you should attack to take down the multi-sig contract. Yes, we have the founders generally have access. And it's a, what is it, Brenda? Gnosis multi-sig, an older version? Yeah, so it's an older Gnosis multi-sig wallet. I think they've come out with a more recent one, but it's the standard in the space. Just allows you to put an M of N signers, allowing to move any of the funds, can run arbitrary transactions. But basically the multi-sig used to be sort of a bigger piece of the system because it used to have admin rights in the system as far as we used to have what was called the deity in the Tellor contracts, and it was basically allowed to upgrade the contracts. We could have, it's basically, it was like, since it was an upgradable contract, it could have like forked and like changed balances and things like that. But that was basically just, it was one of the best practices we had actually gotten from other people, was like, while you're making sure your contract is bug free, give yourself some admin rights in case you find a major bug and you need to upgrade it really fast. So while we had that, it was, we had to actually use it. So it was a good thing that we did that. But then now that we feel comfortable that it's kind of bug free, or at least more so, then we've moved on and we got rid of it. So now it's basically just a wallet for the team, which holds, I think, like 3.5% of the tokens or something like that. So doesn't really have any special rights in the whole thing, but should be good. Any other comments on it? All right, those were the questions. I don't think, did we have any other questions on the Discord and the deep questions for the team? think there was maybe one. Oh no, it was just a migration question. So that was it. If you still, most people in Tellor like don't even know what the migration is. It was so long ago. But every once in a while we'll get somebody who still hasn't migrated their funds over from the old Tellor contract. So if you need help, reach out to us. It's pretty manual at this point, but yeah, thanks everyone for hopping on. We shall talk to you guys all next week or whenever we have a call. So later.